Cut. Bring your palms below your shoulders and then come here into downward facing dog. Make sure your toes are not tucked under. Now we're going to be looking left and right. Beautiful. Go down. Now we go into the child pose. Stay there. The music. Okay. Now bring your hands closer to you until the palms are just below and the knees right below your hip. Now we're going to cat cow. So when you're coming from here, here you exhale, and when you're doing this, you are inhaling and you're coming like this. Beautiful. Let's go again like this. This is the cow, the cat, cow, cat, cow. All right. Now bring your hands in front of you until your head is on the ground, and then you turn to face the other side. Let's go on the other side. Beautiful. Now bring your hands closer. Now we're going to lift the knees from the ground. And then we are into downward facing dog. All right. Now you raise one leg, straighten it and cross it behind the other. Thank you well. Switch. All right. Let's stand upright. Cross the legs and then bend to the front. Was it here? What no? Welke nog? Let's go on the other side. Keep your back straight. So you push your chest to the front, and then the stretch becomes intense. Beautiful. Now spread the legs until the feet are below your wrist, and then you bring your hands here. Now palms are facing forward, bend to one side. Keep the shoulders, hip and ankles aligned. Let's go to the other side. Elijah. Ne. Come upright. Find the balance on one leg. Bend it and then catch it. Or hold on to something. Go on the other leg. Elijah, niet langs daar. Beautiful. Now, hammer. Bend to the front and then bring your hands together. Keep your back straight. And now we are going to be balancing. Hammer. Yeah, hammer. Waji. All right, come upright. Bring the legs together. Not together. And now you put the weight of the hand on the neck. You pull the opposite side. Real talk with Ntabi. Good morning. Let's go on the other side. All right, now pull to the front, the head towards the front. Beautiful. Now let's do shoulder rolls.